What's up, everyone? It's March 5th, 2025. Hope you had a good trading day. Looks like we had something similar to yesterday, which was a sell off and then a rally. Well, today was more of a range sell off rally. Yesterday, we had a sell off range rally. We went from selling off in the morning to rallying in the day. So it's kind of cool when you think about higher time frames, how when there was momentum, we were selling off and then momentum started slowing down when this bull bar happened, and now there's more pullback, sell off, pullback, sell off. So if we think about like here, fresh breakout, shallow pullback, and it rallies. Fresh breakout, very shallow pullbacks, and we're selling off in the morning. Now we've had that first pullback, the pullbacks are getting deeper. 28, 28. So where's the 28? So this was that first pullback on the daily chart here. And ever since then, the pullbacks have been getting deeper and deeper. And now the sells are happening at the end of the day. Well, they were happening. What I mean by sell off, sideways, sell off, sideways. Now then it became sell off at the end of the day. So it's pullback, sell off, pullback, sell off, pullback. You see how it's kind of changing after this. So yeah, pretty cool. Double bottom. This is a higher low. Double bottom, higher low right here, 27, 28, 29. That's right here, 27, 28, 29 is this point right around here. So bulls got a higher low, bad for the bears. Bears wanted to see a new low to continue a trending market. Yesterday we had a sell off, wedge bottom rallied, but the close was interesting because it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bear bars. Leg one, pull back, leg two. Then we went sideways. We had a rally, we had a sell off, big up, big down. Sideways price action since bar 70. So you could say 75 ish. Even here, we didn't really sell off. It was more of a failed breakout. So hold on, let's see something. I want to see how much range bound price action we had today. So here's the range. Wow, almost all of this. You could say we really had a range day today. It looks like a small bull trend, but there's trading range, leg higher, trading range, and there's trading range here. This leg's still within this price action, so yeah. Big up, big down, sideways behavior, gap down. Bar one is bull bar. Bar two sold off and then rallied, creating a pullback for bar one. Leg one, pullback, leg two, bar three, climactic behavior, testing the close, and it sells off bar four. Bar five is follow through. Bar six is also follow through. So we have three bull bars and we have three bear bars. So that's trading range behavior. Micro channel against the micro channel. You could say same thing here. Micro channel against the micro channel. 1 second. Then we sell off. Bears start to get to breakout, but it's kind of a late leg. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Or you could say leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, 27. Leg one, pull back. A new low is not really made here, but in terms of pushes, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four. Here's a new low. So you could say leg one, pull back, 24, 25, breaking the trend line. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. So kind of skeptical bear leg. We are in a bear regime. Bull setups tend to fail. So where are we? Big up, big down. Bar 7. It's a strong bear. It's a strong bull bar closing from almost the range lows to the range highs. You could say the bar started here, maybe on a 10-minute chart. Bar 8 is follow through, but it's a bad close. Bar 9 is bad follow through for a bull breakout. It's a bear body starting to close on slow. Look, now it's giving the appearance of somewhat of a bear flag. 9, 10, 11, we produce a bear gap. That's 3 bear bars in a row, so that's a good type of gap. This is a bad gap because it's between 6, 7, and 8. That's a bad gap because it's a bear, bull. When we see gaps, we like to see 3 of the same color. So here, 29, 30, 31, looking for a retest. That retest never comes. Okay, I just skipped a whole bunch of stuff. So we have a gap here, rally, deep pullback, trailing range behavior, 13, 14. Looking for a retest of bar 9's low. So an order set here would be filled on 14, and then you could make your scalp back down to the leg low. 15, 16, 17, 18. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. 18, 19, 20, 21. 4 bear bars in a row with no pullback. Why did I stop counting at 21 and not 22? 22 is an inside bar, and 21's tail is a pullback. So to me, this is the first leg. And there are smaller legs within this. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, pullback leg 4. But in terms of visible legs, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. 3 pushes down between this price action right here. 28, it's a small bar after 3 legs lower, looking like a wedge bottom. 29, follow through for the bulls. 30, it's a good breakout. This is a good reversal because it's small. Bears didn't have a lot of time to make money. And then the bulls that bought this made 1 to 2 R very quickly, bar 30, so they're going to take profits. 31, rallies and sells off. Bad follow through. 31's close doesn't close at a new high, but it is follow through after 3 legs lower. And yesterday they collected bars, so you were looking to buy, you could say the always in is trading range behavior and we're at trading range lows. However, like see right here how this is the first bull bar. This isn't necessarily this is a trading range, but we're at the higher of the trading range, breaking out above the EMA. So if you were to buy this leg up, you're buying a 2-legged pullback after a strong selling. If you're buying this leg up, we had bulls buy right here. Look at 7, look at 13, 14. Look at yesterday's rally compared to yesterday. Also here had a rally, so it's context dependent. We had more selling here, sell off, first pullback above the EMA, sells off. Now bulls have had a trend line break. They're collecting more bars above the EMA. Trading range behavior here. So the context for buying this is a little bit different than if you were to buy this breakout, get trapped on 63. This is so 4 bar rally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bar rally, 28 through 32, shallow pullback 33. You can see it gets bought 34, so bulls are buying pullbacks with 33 being pullback, and then it rallies for another 4 or 5 bars, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 30, all the way up to 39 for another pullback. Then we ask ourselves, okay, this is a leg 2, leg 1, pullback leg 2, leg 1, pullback leg 2, 40 being another pullback leg 3. Leg 3 is small and the momentum is dying with 41 being a good bar, 42 closing above 41's high, but not by much, and then 43 momentum slowing right under the EMA, right around yesterday's good sell bar 73. Boom, sells off 44. That puts us in a train. Well, we are in a train range, but in terms of this leg, now the trending behavior is over. Bulls did have multiple gaps open here and here. This gap right here got closed, so when gaps are closed, it's trading range behavior. And then we go sideways. Then this whole price structure is trying to get its own second leg, and that began around here on the EMA. 52 is breaking out here. 52 gets good follow through 53 and 54. 54 is a bar closing above its high. That's 3 bars in a row with a gap. 55 is the first pullback, so leg 1, pullback leg 2. And then 56 is becoming climactic after 2 legs higher, leg 1, pullback leg 2. And then you could say 62 is a pullback leg 3. We're getting up to yesterday's high now. 72 is probably have more sellers sitting up here. And you can see that by the market going sideways rather than trending higher. Where's bar 1? Bar 1 is down here. Yeah, so this is yesterday, 72. Traded up to did we make a new high from yesterday? I don't think so. So we didn't get up to the high tick of yesterday. The market went sideways when we got to 72. There's a tight trading range after that. Trading range behavior at the open. A few legs higher, leg down, big up. Trading range behavior. Big up, big down. And look at this morning's rally was right in the middle of yesterday's range. So bears tried to make a new low, failed 3 times, and then bulls tried to make a new high, but ultimately failed. So today is an inside bar. Wow, this inside bar had a lot of range. I didn't trade today, but I'll be trading tomorrow live, so check that out. I'll be posting the price action, the basics, the price action introduction later this week or maybe Saturday. So we'll go over the gaps real quick. We talked about them a little bit. Gap down gets filled pretty quick here. Another gap with bar 6, 7, and 8, but it's a bad gap because it's a bear bar, and that gets closed. And we have a good bull bar. Excuse me. We have a good, excuse me. 6, 7, and 8, a bull gap, but it gets closed on these bear bars, and this produces a better gap because it's 3 bars in a row. Another gap down here. That's a 0 height gap. Lower high, it's a double top, sells off. We get 2 gaps here, but trading range behavior, these gaps get closed on this side. I'm not sure why this is painted orange. This must be reading that as a bear bar. So bull. This says bearish tendencies, but it closed bullish, and then it rallies 33. We have another gap here that gets tested, and it rallies. There's also a gap right here. 40, 41, 42 produces a gap, but it's a bear. It starts with a bear bar, and that gets shut down pretty quick. 44, and then we go sideways. Multiple gaps are produced here while we're testing this high. So that puts us in tight trading range because these all become layers of support. Where are the measured moves? I had this up today. If you were watching the stream, I was looking at this, but once it started to fail, if you start to look at the other way around, you could count this as the trading range. This bear leg 18 to 27. 1 hour is met there. Let's see if 1 hour is met from here to here. Yeah, no, it's not met. But what about the original trading range direction? Yeah, 1 hour is met there, and it also kind of goes sideways. So people were looking at that 1 hour target today. It's a trading range. On trading range days, people will front run their target, but today it was met a couple times, so you had some opportunity to get out. So there are 2 major targets. If I trade, I'm usually doing 1-to-1, but I'll have like a move like this up or just something more of that direction. I also had this leg here that obviously did not work, failed to reverse, and then there's some measured moves here that you can go for. I'm a fan of like 3 bars or the leg you're trading and scalping it. Put it below 33, and that's met here on the 3rd leg. So that's pretty nice. The first leg took 2 legs to reach, and it took more time. So here's 1 leg. So that took 15 minutes. No, that took 20 minutes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 20 minutes. And then to get the measured move, it took 40 minutes, which is about right. It doubled the amount of time. 4 bars. So 40 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 9, 8 or 9 bars. The timing for that leg 2 lines up, so that's pretty nice actually. I like that. This we don't get 1 hour, obviously it's late in the day, but if you were to scalp, you could go for a 1 hour of this. That's met. I think 55, 56 is a good close, but it's kind of climactic. Could be already too late. 1 hour was met there pretty quick. The very first pullback, 56's tail, sold off and rallied. Taking profits, that's 1 hour, and then we go sideways for the day, so not too many measured moves. All right, guys, hope you had a good one. Thanks for tuning in today. I'll be live the next couple of days trading again. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. If you learned something, share the show. Don't be a hoe. Talk to you in the Discord. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you. Bye.